Everyone online says AI makes video creation easy, but nobody talks about the 5 tools, 10 exports, and 3 hours it still takes to make one video. Let me show you what they don't. This is the actual AI workflow most creators deal with. You write the script in ChatGPT, then you generate voiceovers in 11 Labs, then visuals in Sora or Veo. Then you download everything. Open CapCut, fix timing, add music, export. And if one thing changes, you redo everything. This isn't automation. This is just manual editing with extra steps. Everyone keeps saying AI tools will fix everything, but most AI tools only give you clips, not full videos. No structure, no pacing, no story. You're still the editor, still the director, still doing everything manually. Now imagine doing this every day. 6 tabs open, files everywhere, subscriptions stacking, nothing synced. That's why most AI channels quit after 2 weeks. This is Clipwise. One tool, one workflow, full videos from a single prompt. Alright, so this is the Clipwise dashboard. This is basically where everything starts. Right here you can write your idea, and as you can see, there are a lot of video agents you can choose from. You've got Italian brand ads, Christmas ads, e-commerce videos, UGC content, and a lot more. Depending on what you're trying to create, you just pick the agent that fits your goal. For this video, I'll keep it simple and go with the Smart Video Creator. Now this is where most people overthink things, the prompt. I'm not even going to try hard. I'll just open ChatGPT and ask it to generate one for me. Generate me a prompt for my Clipwise AI video. Figure 1 should be a legendary Portuguese footballer wearing a red number 7 jersey. Figure 2 should be an iconic Argentine footballer wearing a blue and white number 10 jersey. And the background should be them eating food in a restaurant. ChatGPT generates a clean cinematic prompt. I just copy it and paste it straight into Clipwise. Before we hit generate, we also have a few options down here. We can choose the language, the screen ratio, the tone, audience, and style. For this example, I'll keep everything on the default settings. I'll choose vertical and then generate. Now the AI is thinking. Alright, it's done. Clipwise has generated the full video plan. The narration, the scenes, the structure. The first thing I check is the characters. Figure 1, the Portuguese footballer, looks insanely realistic. The lighting, skin, and details look very natural. Figure 2, the Argentine footballer, looks the same. The face structure and expressions look real. These don't look cartoonish at all. Once I'm happy with this, I reconfirm and move on. At this stage, you can select a voiceover if you want, or background music. For this demo, I'll skip both and click Generate Scene. Now the video starts generating scene by scene, and in the chat, Clipwise tells you exactly what it's doing in real time. If you don't like any scene, you don't re-edit manually. You just click the scene, type what you want changed, and the AI edits it for you. Now that all the scenes are ready, I can click Convert All Images to Videos. This usually takes 1 or 2 minutes. Alright, it's done. Let's check the videos. These are the exact type of clips people upload as reels and shorts and get millions of views. The movement looks natural. The lighting is cinematic. It literally does everything for you. If you want to change anything, you just select a scene, go to the chat tab, and tell the AI what to do. No timeline stress. Alright, before we wrap up, let me quickly show you the core features inside Clipwise, because this is where a lot of people actually spend their time customizing their video. On the left side, we've got all the tools you can use to edit your scenes. First, there's Chat, which lets you literally talk to the AI like a teammate. You can ask it to fix scenes, rewrite lines, change visuals, anything, and it updates in real time. Next is Media, where you can add your own clips, images, or assets if you want to personalize the video more. After that, we have Music, where you can choose background tracks or upload your own audio. Then there's Transitions, which lets you adjust how each scene flows into the next. We also have Narration, so if you want an AI voiceover, you can pick a voice, adjust pacing, and add it directly. And finally, Subtitles, where you can auto-generate captions, edit the style, and make them match your content. Now in this section, Clipwise also gives you access to multiple integrated AI models. So if you click on the Models tab, you'll see options like Sora, VO3, and Seedance, depending on the type of visuals you want. This part is really useful if you want a specific animation style or higher quality motion. That's basically the feature side of Clipwise. And if you are an editor, you still get CapCut level manual controls, timeline. In my opinion, Clipwise is one of the best all-in-one AI video tools right now. It's already been used by over 16 million users globally. It combines ChatGPT, Nano Banana, 11 Labs, Sora, Gemini, Flux, and more, all in one platform. No switching tools, no exporting files, no chaos. Now let's talk pricing. Right now, because of the holiday sale, Clipwise is offering 60% off the yearly plan. That comes out to around $20 per month if you go annual. With that plan, you can generate up to 100 videos every month. So if you want to stop juggling tools and start making full videos faster, Clipwise is worth checking out. The link is in the description.